absolutely spectacular looking at that command module America down there coming across the surface.
Sounds great.
Hey, Ron, listen, this ridge you're coming on over, just stick your hand out the hatch and grab a rock. We got the landing site. We're coming right over the front of it. Super targeting.
TTM, founded in 2012, is a global, full-service enterprise of manufacturing metal stamping dies, checking fixtures, and welding automation equipment.
In TTM, we always keep to global market position and accelerate the strategic planning of worldwide footprint. Globally setting up after-sales centers, we keep up with the demands of our customers in different countries by providing them with more convenient and superior quality service.
Hi, I'm Mike. I come from Canada. In China, TTM is the best one-stop service supplier that you can find in the automotive industry. They specialize in designing and building equipment for parts checking, tools, and welding automation equipment. We complete hundreds of projects a year working with talented people, and this has greatly benefited my career. In my view, our achievements have been a great help to OEM because of TTM's strategic vision. And I'm so proud to have participated in this amazing project with TTM.
My name is Franco Francese and I am Technical Director by TTM. I have 36 years experience in automotive and technical expert. For each project from our three divisions, we conduct detailed and comprehensive analysis of material characteristics, GD and T forming process to ensure each process is strictly followed of the standard. Our team take on the time delivery and is our goal. I feel great honor to be a part of this company. I love my job and I am looking forward to many great years to come.
TTM's understanding of manufacturing and process has been developing over the past 10 years, which is the result of unprecedented investment in equipment, facilities, and human resources. We constantly upgrade our equipment and invest deliberate efforts into the training of our team to adapt to rapidly changing technology and consumer demands. By doing so, TTM is well prepared to embrace the opportunities in the era of intelligent manufacturing.
We have 45 CNC machines with maximum machining size 6 meter and minimum 0.01 mm accuracy. They can run in 24 hours with 2 shifts. We have many other types of machining equipment also. All of those are necessary to promote efficiency and accuracy.
We have 4 sets of mechanical press for 2 tryouts, from 200 ton to 1,215 ton. With more than 10 years industry experience, technical experts will effectively solve any tough potential can see in manufacturing.
We have 7 sets of brand new CMM. The minimum measurement accuracy we can reach is 0.02. Meanwhile, we have a hexagon absolute arm and a blue light scanner for measurement. Qualified stamping components will be inspected by both checking fixture and the CMM. Only after a component passes the inspections can we start the welding and assembly jobs.
We are able to help our customer deliver initial welded samples to OEM. Then they can validate product design and diagnose any design, quality or process issues to optimize part-to-part coordination. With the one-stop service, TTM can not only shorten project lead time, but also help save project budget, which has become a competitive advantage for our customers to adapt to the challenging in the global market and improve efficiency.
Make our customers have confidence and trust in us.
In TTM, we continuously strive for self-improvement, being a trustworthy partner of our customers, not just as a supplier.
In the future market, the pursuit of innovation, quality, and service will be more personalized and humanized, which is exactly what we are doing at TTM.
In Houston, as I step off at the surface at Taurus Littrow, we'd like to dedicate the first steps of Apollo 17 to all those who made it possible.